Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB Tutorials. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn class ninth Chemistry chapter Acids, Bases and Salts part 3. Our topic is acid and base conjugate. So, let us understand this topic by the example CH3COOH plus H2O gives H3O minus plus CH3COO minus. In this equation, it is observed that CH3COOH gets converted to CH3OO minus. This gets converted to CH3OO minus after donating a proton. After donating a proton means after giving H plus ion to H2O, to water. After donating this H plus to water over here, so over here it was H2O, and after donating H plus ion, the one proton from reactant, we got H3O. As CH3COOH has donated a proton, it is an acid. So, when an compound or element donates H plus ion or proton, we can say, it is also called proton, we get acid, means it is an acid. When it donates proton, it is an acid. And CH3COO, as it has accepted a proton, it is a base. CH3OO accepted a proton and converted it to CH3COOH. As it has accepted a proton, it is a base. Thus, accepting proton gives base. CH3 donate proton to H2O, it becomes H3O, and H2O accepts a proton H plus, so it is a base. So, thus, we have an acid-base pair of CH3COOH and CH3COO minus differing by a proton. Such a pair is called a conjugate acid-base pair. So again, I'll write base conjugate of a substance is equal to substance minus H minus, and acid conjugate of a substance is equal to substance plus H plus, substance plus proton. Let us see an example. The question is, find the acid conjugate of NH3 and Cl minus So we have to find acid conjugate. To find acid conjugate, there is a formula substance plus proton. So NH3 plus H plus gives NH4 NH4 plus NH4 plus, and over here substance plus H plus. So acid conjugate of Cl is Cl minus plus H plus gives HCl. Next question is, find the base conjugate of H2 sorry HSO4 minus and base conjugate of H3PO4. So base conjugate of a substance minus H minus, substance minus H minus, sorry, substance minus H plus proton. So HSO4 minus H plus. So we will get SO4 SO4 2 minus, as it was minus already, and accepted we removed H plus from the substance. So again we'll got SO4 2 minus. H3PO4 substance minus H plus gives H2PO4 minus. I hope you've understood this topic of conjugate. Now let us start with the main topic of acids. Acids, a compound which reacts with bases or which donates proton to form salt and water as the only products is called an acid. I'll repeat, a compound which reacts with bases or which donate protons to form salt and water as the only products is called an acid. Example, HCl, hydrochloric acid, or H2SO4, sulfuric acid, or HNO3, nitric acid. Classification. Acids are classified into different types based on the factors of source, strength, concentration, presence of oxygen, and basicity. First one is based on source. Based on source. Based on source, acids are classified into organic acids and inorganic acids. So in this also organic acids and inorganic acids. Organic acids, acids which are obtained from plants and organic are organic acids obtained from plants are called organic acids. Example are acetic acid, I'll write acetic acid, which is vinegar, source of the acid is vinegar. Then citric acid, then butyric acid, then hydrochloric acid, then formic acid, then lactic acid, malic acid, then oleic acid, then stearic acid, tartaric acid, and uric acid. Acetic acid, source of acid is vinegar. Citric acid, source of acid is citrus fruits. Butyric acid, source of acid is rancid butter. Hydrochloric acid, source of acid is gastric juice. Formic acid, source of acid is sting of bees and ants. Lactic acid, sour milk. Malic acid, apples. Oleic acid, olive oil. Stearic acid, fats. Tartaric acid, grapes, apples, tamarind. Uric acid, urine. Then next type is inorganic acid. Acids which are obtained from minerals are called inorganic acids. Example is hydrochloric acid HCl, sulfuric acid H2SO4, nitric acid HNO3, now next topic is based on strength, based on concentration, based on presence of oxygen, based on basicity, then characteristics of tribasic acid, preparation of acids, and acid anhydride. But this we are going to learn in part 4. I hope you've understood till this part 3. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. Thank you for watching. Let us meet in part 4.